Hey guys, welcome back to VWFF Family Farm. I'm Emily. It's been a while since I filmed a video for y'all, so I decided I'd help Mom out today and cook us some supper for tonight. So I'm going to be making a chicken pot pie and making it super thick and super creamy. And I hope y'all try this out and I hope y'all like it, and let's get started. Okay, so to start out with, I've just added some chopped chicken in here. Make sure if it's canned to drain the water and juice off, because if it's too thick later we can add that in, but we don't want to make it too runny. So I'm just starting off just by kind of making sure this is all good and chopped up, not super chunky. So next thing I'm going to do is just add some mixed vegetables. Okay, so I added some mixed vegetables, but I only added about half of the pack. I'm just going to try to get that chicken mixed in with it, kind of. So now I'm going to chop just some onion up in there because there wasn't any in that. I'm actually going to get a cutting board so Mom doesn't kill me for scratching up her island. Now I'm going to cut and try not to hurt myself. Okay, so now that I got that onion in there, I'm gonna call that good because I don't really want a ton. Oh, oven's preheated. Now I got this potato. Not even sure if I'll put the whole thing in there, but it'll work better if you flip it around the right way. It's not going so hot. There we go. Okay, so I got my potato peeled without cutting myself, so that's good. But now we're just going to chop it into little pieces. Okay, so I got that all chopped. Put those in there too. Now I'm just gonna mix all these vegetables and chicken, and then we're gonna put the liquids in there, if I don't dump it all out first. Okie dokie. There we go. Now I got this cream of chicken. I'm actually going to do 2 of those, and this is from As Your Standard if you want some. This stuff's thebomb.com. Okay. I'm going to put 2 cans of this in there. Okay, so now for the next ingredient to make this thick and creamy, we're going to add some sour cream. I'm just kind of scooping some in there. This is a little over half a cup. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can tell, but mine is like incredibly thick. But I'm gonna leave it because all my vegetables were frozen. So it's gonna kind of melt and it's gonna water down a little bit. Not like a ton, but it won't stay this thick. So I'm just gonna leave that. Now I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper and things. I'm just kind of eyeballing this. I don't really have an exact measure. So just do to what you like. And I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, but you do not have to do this part. Oh, that was quite a bit. That's okay. Okay, set that aside. Got my pie pan. It's like a 9-inch, 9.5 inch. It is. As you can tell, I'm not super perfectionist about cooking and stuff. I just kind of add to what I want to add. But anyways, now I got a pie crust, and I'm taking the easy way out. I'm not making a pie crust, but if you want to make your own pie crust, you go for it. I just already had this one, so. And I sound super nasally. I don't know if y'all can tell from the video, but my allergies have been killing me lately. Okay, so I sprayed my pan just so this does not stick. And I'm just gonna try to get this pie crust good and apart. There we go. There, okay. So, that fit about perfectly, so I'm not gonna trim any off of it. But I am going to press it against the edges. I know this does not look perfect, but I'm just trying to get it. All this will go in there. Okay. So now, I'm just going to put my filling in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my other layer on. Okay, so this should usually have to bake for 30 minutes on 425, but I'm not really sure about mine because the vegetables were frozen, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. Just probably, it might have to go over just a little bit on time, but that'll be okay. And while it's cooking, I'm gonna clean up the bomb of a mess that I made. So I'll get back with y'all when this is done. So this took longer than 30 minutes. I would just cook it till the crust is brown on top, but it's finally done. And it actually looks pretty good.
It looks beautiful.
Okay guys, so that is it for that recipe. My grandma came over and we visited all last night, so I didn't get a chance to close out this video, but I just want to encourage y'all, if you like chicken pot pie, you definitely should try this recipe because it was pretty good. And I hope if y'all are new around here, you will stick around, you subscribe, watch some of our other videos, and I thank y'all for tuning in today, and we will see y'all next time. God bless.